Hey, Ace family! What's going on, everybody?
Bro,
what?
This is my channel. I got it. Hey guys, we out here today with my boy.
Oh, I say it?
Every time.
Austin
It happens every time.
McBroom!
Hey guys, today I'm with my boy.
Austin McBroom. No? Okay.
And today I'm getting ready to shoot some sports stuff with him.
Ooh.
We might have a little extra for you guys at the end.
Ooh.
But we're gonna get to those action shots. The boy in his element. What got this all started in the first place.
Exactly. If you guys are ready, make sure you give this video a thumbs up right now.
Hey.
We're about to get ready.
Let's do it. So a lot of the shots where we're gonna be recreating today, I already have up in my Pinterest. And the first one that I wanna do is get this cool back shot right here, which is this.
Ooh, I like that.
The shot of you shooting just like this, okay? Damn. Oh, that's so sick.
Ooh, I like that. All right, bro. So is there anything else you need me to do?
Can you shoot backwards?
Backwards?
Yeah. Hey!
Let's get it!
Oh, snap. Ball goes the whole way through. Yeah. Next one, we're gonna try to do this. See this? See this? That's gonna be crazy. Get some of Austin trying to juke me. Yeah, like this. I want even more expression for you on these. All right, and let's go. All right, so I want to try to create this shot. Question is, are we gonna? Oh, he's already up there. Oh, that's easy. All right, let's do this.
Somebody help me! Hey, this is what happens when you work with Vitaly. He makes you do dumb ass shit.
That looks good.
I guess.
Bring this leg back a little bit, just a little bit. There's just these.
Ooh. Oh, that was tight. All you battalions out there.
Italians. Not even Italian.
If you guys like what you see so far, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment below what else you would like to see, because we are on the way to our next location. Let's do it.
And we just got to our location number 2, which is the great downtown Los Angeles. Love this place. Well, I actually just live out here, that's why. So the second tip is to always make sure to have a plan B when you are shooting. So for example, if you're trying something new, like we just did with basketball, have that plan B, which for me is my lifestyle, photography, street kind of vibe that I go for. That is something that I'm really good at, I'm very confident in. It's something that I know that however I shoot, I can get some good content out of it. So always have that plan B, especially when you're trying something new. So plan out your day accordingly. Start off the day with trying something new, go crazy. Second half of the day, just have that in your back pocket just in case, you know, you're not feeling it 100%. And then it should go well. Okay, where are these guys? You thought this was a regular photo shoot. Don't be deceived. Do not be deceived. Sounds good. Lean up with your shoulder. Yes. That is dope. Look back that way. So clean. So clean. One more at me, just like this.
Everything is good.
Dude.
All right, guys, so this shot right here is what you call the sneak attack. You gotta get in and you gotta get out.
Oh shit, there he is. There he is. So sick. Walk for me. Walk. Freaking fresh.
Ooh, those are fire. I told you that shit was gonna look crazy. That's how you do it.
Oh, that shot was crazy. Right now my settings are at shutter speed 40, ISO 100, f-stop 10. So you don't need that depth because you're getting that blur in the back, so it's perfect. So there's an insanely amount of good light going through right here. So I want to get Austin walking coming at me. So the way you do that is on your camera, switch your focus mode to not one shot, but AI servo. If you switch that over, it's gonna let your focus, which is the red button that you're seeing in here, is gonna be what your focus is gonna be pulling, even if your subject is coming at you. And that's how you get that crazy cool shot, even if someone's walking towards you. Hold that, hold that. And that means? Dude, yes, this is gonna be a money shot. Yes, lean in, so just tilt your body inwards a little bit towards me.
I love it!
Oh my God.
Vitaly is a magician, goddamn! No, y'all can't see it yet. Y'all can't see it yet.
Oh my God. Look over this way more. Boom. Oh shit, that's cool. Right there, yes. So sick.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah.
We got a few. Doing a little pit stop and doing a car shoot. Gotta get Austin some fire car photos.
Free your body and your mind. One, two, three. Bounce. Bounce.
Y'all ready to turn it up tonight?
Oh shit. That shit's fire.
Dude, that orange on orange is insane. Bring your whole body, turn it a little more toward, yeah. This way. And just like that, it is a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. You know, we learned something together, we tried something new, and now it's your turn. Whatever that is. I know you guys have bucket lists that you've been meaning to go after, so you should go do it.
Ooh, I wanna. And if you guys have any cool ideas and stuff, you should share them in the comments below. We should all learn together. In the comments below.
And once you do that, make sure to tag me on Instagram or Twitter. I would love to see your guys' progress.
Dude, you forgot to tell them about your preset packs, so you're welcome.
Oh, that's right. Make sure to go download the preset packs, which are in my description. Go download them. It's free. You can never go wrong with free, right? All right, guys, I will see you in the next episode. So, meanwhile, good night.
Baby, don't stop. Baby, don't stop. Make a memories. Make a memories. Make a memories. Make a
Got me, bro.
Yep, I got you.
There's no way, bro.
No?
There's no way.
Come on.
Bro, this shit's not even like stable.
You're light, though.
Hold up.
They say good.
Crazy mother.
Careful.
You lucky I'm crazy too. You only live once. So you gotta do what makes you happy